Hi, my name is Krish. I love coloring.
Krish loves going to school. He enjoys spending time with his teachers and friends. He loves coloring with lots of different colors. He was happily coloring his dinosaur with green, yellow, and red colors. He was having so much fun. Just then, his teacher came and sat beside him. The teacher smiled and said, Krish, time is up. It's time for math. He felt very sad. It's okay, Krish. Don't cry. I will give you some more time. She showed Krish an I need more time card. You can show this card to me or ask for some more time, she said. She sets a timer and said, when the timer rings, it will be time to stop coloring. Krish felt happy. He started coloring again. Krish felt calm and happy. I can ask for help, he said. He continued coloring. After a while, timer rang. It's time to stop coloring, teacher said. Krish looked at his beautiful dinosaur picture. He showed it to the teacher. The teacher smiled and clapped for Krish. Good job, Krish. Very good. Krish has now understood and said,
I can ask for help, use my picture card, or simply request for some more time. Hitting myself, crying, screaming, and getting upset is bad. I understood that I can ask for help. Everyone loves me and cares for me.
Krish learned something important that day. He learned that when he needs help or more time, he can ask for it. His teacher, friends, and family will understand and help him. Krish felt proud of himself for making a good choice.